Reiki Level 1, Video 2. We were just talking about how we can experience and understand that feeling of energy when we can feel it between our palms. Some people will feel it as tingling, some people will feel it as a vibration, some people will, feel it as heat, cold, and normally it feels like two repelling batteries pushing out away from each other. Reiki is a gift. It is a gift that is given to us by the universe for the purpose of healing, expressing love, that is available to all who are willing to learn and be open to it. Simply, Reiki is a natural, safe method, and get my up here. It is a method of intuitive healing. Reiki is for everyone. It is not just for the select few. It is for everyone. The benefits that you receive from the healing sessions, as well as from those who are practicing it. You who doing the Reiki are going to get a benefit of it, and those who are receiving it will receive a benefit as well. It's kind of a give and take type of energetic practice. The practice of Reiki is non-invasive. We are not going to go in there and we are not going to get a hold of something and move it out. It is very non-evasive. It's something that we just flow with and allow to flow within that river of energy within our bodies. It's kind of like the waking up. If you've done the chakra class that we offer, you know that that's a different situation. We're actually going to go in there and we're going to change things. We're actually going to make them be different. And with Reiki, we are not going to do that. We're simply going to be waking the energy up. It's kind of like standing at the bottom of the stairs and calling your kids to get them to wake up for school. It's kind of like, you're going to call them and you're going to, be very nice and kind and gentle and tender and let them move at their own pace. And that's what Reiki energy is about. It's non-evasive. There are a number of forms of Reiki. There are some that are practiced with symbols. There are some that is practiced with, like ours is the universal or traditional Reiki that you're going to learn about. And the teacher who received this information is, and I am horrible with pronunciation, so I apologize before we even get too far into the video. The Reiki of practice is also practiced for the highest good. Excuse me. It is practiced for the highest good of all involved. It was discovered by Dr. Maiku Usi in the mid-1800s. His teaching today is known as traditional Reiki, is what we're learning. He studied the healing phenomena extensively for 21 years. Sounds and symbols were discovered relative directly to the body and the central nervous system. He taught this teaching until his passing in 1891. The practice of Reiki can be traced back to the Tibetans. From thousands of years ago. Practitioners went to Tibet in India to learn, and then it spread to Egypt. Then from Egypt it went to Euphrates, Greece, Rome, China, Japan. In the course of all of this, they were taught how to do this practice by Dr. Usi. Some of the other forms of Reiki taught today are Usi Reiki, the Usi system of natural healing, Teramai Reiki, Shizum. There's many different ones of them, and you can see them in your little booklet that you have to refer to. And also, when we teach this traditional level, we'll be learning Reiki on 3 levels. Like I said at the beginning, 1, 2, and 3 are master. 3 can sometimes be referred to as master or level 3. And there's also another level that I do teach, but is separate from this, is Reiki Master Teacher. It's basically a special attunement that you can receive and teaching that you can receive that helps you to be able to share it with others from that higher frequency, from that higher vibration. Let me go back here. You can decide if you want to charge for Reiki, or you can do your Reiki sessions free. But do remember that people who do not have to pay for something do not necessarily find a value in it.